Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to let your readers install your Simplebooklet as an app directly from the share section of your navbar. This is perfect for making your content more accessible and giving your audience a convenient way to engage with your booklet anytime. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Share button. This is where we'll have the option to toggle the install option on. As you can see, mine already is. We'll go ahead and redo it for this tutorial. And then if you notice here, we have a live preview drawer that pops out from the right-hand side as well. And this basically just gives you an exact look at what your readers will be seeing when they click on the share section of your navbar. So anytime we make a change over on this side, it will automatically update over here. So this is where the install button would go. And then we're going to go ahead here and click on the pencil icon next to it. And this is where we can choose our app icon. So you can either choose a generic icon, or you can use your Simplebooklet cover as the app icon for your readers to see. So as you can see here, this is an example of what the Simplebooklet cover would look like as my app icon. And this is how it will appear on your readers' devices if they choose to install it. And then I also have another tab opened up here just to give you an idea of what the generic icon would look like if you pick that option. But yeah, once you've selected it, just go ahead and click Done. All of your changes will be saved automatically. And simply just close the drawer now. And you'll be good to go. Your Simplebooklet is now ready to be installed as an app from the Share section of your navbar. The install option enhances the engagement and action stages of the reader's journey. It gives your readers easy, ongoing access to your content directly from their home screen, encouraging them to revisit and stay connected with your booklet over time. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.